If your apartment feels cramped, the problem might not be the size. Many small apartments feel crowded simply because the space isn't being used efficiently. Desks occupy permanent floor space. Storage cabinets fill the room. Kitchens run out of space quickly. Over time, clutter builds up and the apartment starts to feel smaller than it actually is. The good news is that a few smart furniture choices can completely change how a small space feels. Let's look at 3 simple space-saving ideas that can make a big difference. Before we start, if you enjoy smart home ideas, architecture tips, and space-saving solutions like this, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps support the content and lets us continue sharing helpful ideas like this. Now let's get into today's topic. Traditional desks take up valuable floor space even when you're not using them. A foldable wall desk solves this by mounting directly to the wall. When you need a workspace, you simply fold it down. When you're finished working, you fold it back up and the space opens again. This creates a flexible home office without permanently sacrificing room space. For students, remote workers, and small apartment residents, this can be a huge improvement. Furniture that adapts to your needs is one of the smartest ways to maximize small spaces. Beds take up one of the largest areas in a bedroom, but most beds don't provide any storage at all. Storage bed frames include drawers or compartments underneath the mattress. This allows you to store clothes, linens, or seasonal items without adding extra cabinets to the room. Hidden storage solutions like this help keep rooms clean and organized. For apartment residents or students living in dorms, this is one of the most practical upgrades you can make. Many kitchens have narrow gaps between appliances and cabinets. Most people ignore these spaces, but they can actually be used for storage. A slim rolling storage cart fits perfectly into those narrow areas. It creates shelves for pantry items, spices, or cleaning supplies. Instead of leaving that gap empty, it becomes useful storage space. Good design often comes from recognizing potential where others see wasted space. Small apartments don't have to feel limiting. With the right furniture and storage ideas, even compact homes can feel organized and comfortable. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more smart home and architecture-inspired solutions. And if you stayed until the end of this video, thank you so much for watching.